Morning, people. This is Ham's Loft. Assalamu alaikum. I'm doing my first toss after a bunch of rain from Hurricane Florence. I want to give a shout out to all the subscribers. I appreciate everybody who subscribed to my channel. Thank you very much. But I'm in an open field, I think it's about 42 or 43 miles from my loft. Just gonna get a good view. It's a great sunny day. Construction over there, no hawks, nothing out here really. See the sun. Should be able to keep a track on them for a minute. All right, I'm gonna let them sit there for a couple of minutes. All right, this is it's gonna be I'm behind on flying. I said I was gonna post the schedule. Let me see. All right, I haven't let the birds loose yet. I'm letting them sit. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in on my schedule, so I hope everybody can look. Now, based on this, it shows right there the first release point, the miles right there, and the dates right there. So you skip these dates because these dates are all moved back a week because of the storm we had before. Excuse me. So we got Red Bay, 100 miles, and that's the one they already flew, and of course the 22nd, 150 miles, Mississippi, Arkansas, Alabama, Mississippi. All right, so to give you an idea of where we're going, how many races we got, that's our race schedule, liberation points. All right, now we're gonna slide over here. Well, since everybody know Ham's Loft, but Cunningham, so that's me. The 100-mile race, if you can see, I'm 156 miles from the release point. And Pancake is on here. Right there. And those are some of the other guys. I'm going to try to zoom back a little bit so y'all can get a view. It shows you how many miles, so I'm the farthest loft in the whole in our club and in the carbine too. So everybody get an idea of why it was so important for me to definitely get my birds flying at least 80 miles, at least half of the distance. So the shortest race for me is 156, and as you see, the longest race on the 350 miles, well, that's self-explanatory. I'm the farthest, so my birds will fly the farthest, but I don't think I'm going to fly any in the 350. I plan to fly the rest of these. But try to zoom back, let everybody get an idea of what's going on there. Another guy that lives right next to me, his name is Victor, right underneath my name. And you see, 152, so he's 4 miles closer than I am. But those are our release points. Give you an idea of what they look like. I ain't got the internet thing, knowing how to do that, so I just got to do it this way. You can probably try to scroll out. Okay, any questions? People feel free, comment. Let's lock down the birds and let's let them go. Let's go. They all tight. Try to keep them in sight as long as I can. Once again, we're about 44 miles, 44, 43 miles, somewhere around there. They gotta go over that little hill. Okay. Trying to find them. I don't know where they're at, people. I know they went that way. Oh, I see them in the backdrop. Way over there. They haven't climbed the little hill yet and go over top of the trees. They're somewhere over there. I definitely, oh, there they go, coming above the tree line. I don't know if you can see them. They're coming above the tree line. I think they are in that site. But they definitely, yep, I see them over the mountain, the little mountain hill or whatever that is. I don't know if they're still in view, but they definitely went over top of it. All right, people, subscribe, comment, do what you do. Got to call the wife so she can set the iPad up to see what time they come in. Shouts out to all the family, UK family, and of course our Hawaiian family. Aloha pigeons. I'm glad you got one bird back. All right, it's gonna zoom them out. Appreciate everybody watching. Hickory Hollow Loft. Peace. Comment, subscribe, do what you do.